Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. I hope you are doing well and continue to learn something new with each session. In today's tutorial, we will be working on something really exciting, a sleek and modern SaaS landing page using Elementor along with a bit of custom code. We will design a clean, professional and high converting layout which will give us the feel of a SaaS website. So by watching this tutorial, you can easily create and build and also design a nice SaaS landing page. I'm sure you will find this tutorial both useful and inspiring. Before we jump into the design process, let's take a quick look at what we are going to build. So let's start from this header. Here is the nice colored logo on the left hand side, and here are some menu items which are the features, pricings, testimonials and FAQ. So you can connect this menu items to the particular sections. Below you will see here title, the subtitle, this description and some Elementor design buttons. And here you will see the images of our SaaS product. Alright, and here I have added a scrolling effect from the Elementor, so it looks like parallax effect, okay, like this. And just below I shown some icons, this type of section, the steps to transfer workflow section, which is the workflow of this SaaS product, and it will look like this. Okay, this is the custom HTML code, and here is the image. And below I have added this link button to show the more about this workflow. Connect with your favorite tool section, just like this. Again the button, and here I have shown some comparison table, as you can see, and below the pricing tables, okay, which is completely designed using Elementor. Here are some white borders at the bottom. We will remove this out later, okay. And here I have shown the common questions, which are the FAQs, okay. And just below you will see here the feedbacks from the real user, which are the testimonials. And just below we have this type of footer. All right, and this is the city area or the button. And here one more feature is that this floating video. So this is the this floating video, which will show always at the bottom right corner, as like this. Alright, so basically it's a custom plugin which is developed, and you can maximize this video like this, okay. You can minimize, and also you can close from here, okay. And when you scroll at the top, it will hide automatically, just like this. And we scroll, it will show this widget, okay. So this is our SaaS landing page, which we are going to build from the scratch using the Wordpress and the Elementor page builder. So let's move on to the dashboard and we'll start tutorial ASAP.